Hello and welcome to today's interview. My name is Jeff Shellmeyer. I'm the Vice President of Professional Services here at V Technologies. And today I am joined by Byron James, Senior Director of Client Services in our engineering business. Byron, thank you for joining me today. How are you?
I'm doing well, Jeff. Thanks so much for having us. I appreciate it.
You got it. So today we're going to be talking about one of the white papers you wrote, and the topic is on managing diversity. Byron, why is this such an important topic?
Well, for me, Jeff, it was a bit of stepping out of the comfort zone, right? Being in client services and engineering most of my career, we're always looking at, new ways to do things, technology, enhancements to designs that we might be doing. So, diversity for me was a very interesting topic. I think also it really supports our mission statement, right? Our mission statement is to, globalize success to make lives better. And, we are a global company, and therefore diversity is part of our culture. And in order to be successful, we have to have a lot of diversity within our teams today. The other critical part in looking at diversity, today we are designing and producing products and homes around the world. And in order to really be aligned with your clients, you have to be a diverse company. You have to understand from the client perspective, their culture, time zones, ways to communicate, all the things that make the relationship with both clients and suppliers successful. And in order to do that, you really have to have diversity within your team to be able to manage that appropriately.
Those are all really good points. How have you seen businesses implement diversity programs to their success?
It has to become part of your culture, Jeff. It just can't be, some policies or procedures that have been developed by HR. It really needs to be part of your culture, part of your business rhythm, part of your daily meetings, part of your discussions with your employees and your clients. A lot of it really starts with the hiring process and removing some of the biases that people may have during the hiring process when interviewing particular candidates. Also, there's a thinking that we have to build our teams with all A players. And, we have to remove that from our thinking and look at it from a diverse perspective and look at how do we build a very diverse team in order to execute, whether it be in sales or operations, finance, or whatever part of the business it might be. We have to really build these diverse teams in order to be successful. And, as I said, we need to have that balance. It's important that we have balance within our teams. Everyone on a team needs to contribute. And when you have diversity within your teams, it enables people to contribute, enables them to feel part of the team.
And finally, Byron, what would you like your readers to take away from reading your paper?
There's a lot of information that's out there available on diversity. And, it was very enlightening for me to be able to go out and do the research and understand how other companies are implementing diversity and how they're gaining market advantage with diversity. I think there's a few advantages, of course. One is your employees will have much better morale, right? So when your employees are working in diverse teams, working globally, it broadens them, right? Because they begin to learn different cultures, different ways to do business, new ideas coming to the table from these diverse teams. It also allows better alignment with your clients, Jeff. So all of your clients are, again, typically very diverse. And when you have a diverse team that you're interacting with them, it enables you to have that better alignment because you understand them better. You're more open-minded. And then lastly, I just think that it makes us more fulfilled as employees to be able to work with diverse teams and recognize the differences amongst ourselves.
Hey, thank you so much for joining me today, Byron. You can find Byron's paper, Managing Diversity, at vtechnologies.com.
Thank you, Jeff.